Today we are excited to share with you the 2025 Jayco Greyhawk 30Z Class C Motorhome. The overall length of this vehicle is 32 feet 6 inches with an exterior height of 11 feet 8 inches. The gross vehicle weight rating is 14,500 pounds. The engine in this unit is a 7.3 liter V8 with 325 horsepower and a fuel tank that holds 55 gallons. This unit includes a tire pressure monitoring system as well as a 7,500 pound hitch with a 750 pound tongue capacity. It also has a one-piece seamless fiberglass front cap. This model includes a 4,000 watt generator and a 200 watt solar panel standard. It also has a 16.5 gallon propane tank with an LP Quick Connect hookup. The freshwater tank capacity is 43 gallons, the gray water tank is 41 gallons, and the black tank is 31 gallons. The tanks are also heated to help avoid freezing. There is a 30,000 BTU furnace as well as an electric fireplace to help keep you warm on those chilly nights, and two 15,000 BTU ACs to keep you cool during the warm season. Well, enough about the specs and features of this RV. Let's get a closer look, starting with the outside. So starting with the outside here of the 30Z. Speakers on the outside. There is no TV out here though. Some storage right here. This next one is for propane to turn it on. More storage. And these speakers on the outside are JBLs. And here is another storage plus a low point drain. Here's the quick connect for propane. And this storage in the back is a pass-through, and you have 3 access doors. One in the back here I'm not going to open because they're backed up to each other and I don't want to be damaging any RVs. And this is the other door for the pass-through here. Outdoor shower. City water connection. A little more storage over here. And your power supply box. There is an outlet and hookup for TV. And then here is a little bit more storage. It's hard to get to the way things are set up here. And then here is the generator, Flex Power 4000i. Well, that's it for outside. Let's head inside. Before we step inside, you have a main power supply switch. And this is for your power step. There is storage here. You have an outlet and your leveling system. The cab area. You have a nice overhead bunk with a window that does close. There is a shade for it. These curtains are up here as well. And you also have these seat belts to help keep you in that night, just in case you might want to fall out. Over here you have a dinette with storage underneath, and there is hinges. Going over to the couch here, you have storage in between, cup holders, and they both do recline. Some storage above. Plenty of storage up above. There's a nice size mirror. There's a nice L-shaped countertop. You don't have a telescoping faucet. It does come with a cutting board though. Split sink, stainless steel. And above the sink is a window as well as storage for dishes. Above the microwave is more storage if you're tall and can reach it. There's also this nice microwave, residential. 3-burner cooktop, like we were mentioning earlier, with a stove. Then you have 4 drawers next to it. Here's your remotes for the TVs. Whoever buys this. And they're all working drawers. No false drawers there. Then there's two more on the side of the sink. There's your microwave dish. Quick tip, when you travel with your RV, it's good to take your microwave dish out of your microwave and put it somewhere where it won't shatter. That way it's not breaking out the glass of your microwave. Anyways, let's get back on track. We have a nice sized fridge here. Furion. Very nice, very nice. Next to that, you have your entertainment center with storage up above. Nice size 50-inch smart TV. Your radio system. And a fireplace. And these come in handy when it cools down. You can save on propane if you got an electric fireplace. Plenty of storage up above. Probably could use a shelf, but they don't have one in there. Alright, in the bathroom area, right next to the TV, is this storage. This one actually has a shelf in it. And one more down here with a shelf in it. Big, huge medicine cabinet. And a sink with an outlet. And storage underneath. Lots of storage underneath. Now the other side is where the shower is. This is a 36 by 30. There is a door on either side that you can open to block off the bathroom from the rest of the RV so you can have your privacy. On the other side of the sink, you have this huge closet for clothes with a few drawers underneath. And they only open so far, plus the bed's kind of in the way, so you couldn't really make it much bigger anyways. And underneath, that is the fuse box. Then for the rest of the room, you have a nice sized bed with lighting up above, end tables with outlets, and you do have storage on either side of the bed. Now there's no storage underneath the bed with this one because you have that pass-through storage underneath. So that takes up the room for what would be underneath the bed, I believe. On the other side of the bed, you have another drawer with this counter space. I would call that a huge end table. With an outlet, your emergency exits here. And for the blinds, this is what they offer. Very nice. Got your chargers. You got this nice shelf in here to put movies if you want. Outlets on both sides. You have an air conditioning unit in here, so this is a great unit to have if you're going south to where it's hotter during the summer.
Well, thank you so much for joining us for this video.
And if you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. It'll help us out a lot.
And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below.
Take care, everyone, and safe travels. To watch more videos like this one, click on one of these videos. See you on the next one.